Hello friends, my name is Alina and you are watching my channel Technical Alina. Today I am going to present with a review of a wonderful projects Vanity. Today I am going to present with you a review of a wonderful project. If we buy it care and we can benefit from it in the future. Today I will give a full review of how we can buy it. So let's start my videos. Before start my video, I request you please subscribe my channels and also press bell icon for future updates. Vanity Futures belongs to the metaverse. Pre-sale starts by now. Pre-sales 1 BNB is equal to 5000 AVN tokens. PCS listening price 1 BN is a 4200 AVN tokens. And decentralized metaverse visions. Our shares visions is to develop decentralized metaverse platforms to provide a fascinated environment to our players to play and earn. Despite this fact, our collective motive is to the launch and Vanity tokens, which would be completely community-driven project. The Vanity token is a community-driven project. This token will be further improved according to community participation. The Vanity tokens will be linked to our Vanity Metaverse games, and our players can purchase games accessories and earn by using Vanity games. Pre-sales participations benefits. Vanity will give away our games NFT of worth 0.3 BNB and 1 BNB is to 20% of Vanity tokens. Holders who hold 5,000 and 10,000 tokens are more respectfully. Vanity Games NFT play to earn swiftly. First August 1 BNB August has a justified its competitors is a real war zone. It is the second generation fighter aircraft with a jet engine capable to reach 2.0 MACH with a guided missiles. By now scrambles 1 BNB. Its name defines in its qualities. It can catch up and intruding aircraft at a supersonic speeds. It is a 2.5 generations jet capable to reach 3.0 MACH, loaded with a both air-to-air ground attacks capable weapons. By now invaders may 0.5 BNB. It is a basic aircraft which is capable to complete missions in enemy territory and can be upgraded as its best. By now Conqueror 0.5 BNB. This is a specified aircraft for ground attack missions and can be upgraded further. By now Rare box 2 BNB, 2 rare jets, 1 common jets and 1 weapon box. By now Legendary box 3 BNB, 3 rare jets, 2 common jets and 1 weapon box. By now Ammunition box 0.3 BNB. Ammunition box containing gun, ammunition, bond, visual range and missiles to air-to-air missiles and guided bombs. By now Game objective. Your mission is just to survive in a war scenario where everyone is your enemy and you have to fight and eliminate other aircraft to enhance your jet powers levels and earnings. Games introductions. Future belongs to metaverse and everything will bring revolutions in the gaming world as well. Metaverse will provide our users an extreme level of virtual reality where we can supply in a real but simulated environment. Although metaverse is in developing stages, but soon it will be a reality and everything will shift on it where we can schedule our meeting, our even can contrast our facilities or our workplace on it. Several technologies combined together in a metaverse which enable these platforms to give a real virtual environment to their users in this modern era. Fight their power is the key to successful that also needed after this is a just powerful aircraft with the skilled pilot to operate that best at its best da- during the missions. During the milestones have to be achieved by the players in order to clear The stage and enhanced power player has to collect the gun ammunition to fight our enemy and jam enemy communications to split them apart and keep your prey alone. Communications with the jets around and you will be key to success, which enables you to create your own gang because power is also you need to survive and last but not the last. You can create an airbase of your own far grounds assistance and ammunition dump which would help you to strengthen your attack powers. NFT roadmap new accessors are always available and you can buy them by using two options. Option one is a buy a rare box and legendary box while other one is a buy accessories separately. Aircraft stores is a place where you can earn by money buying and selling aircraft with its accessory. You can also buy an opportunities by returning aircraft and your accessories information. Both collect information for the previous and upcoming machines and its modifications. Story engines when war stories will be pop up and during games to read and enhance your gun specification. Vanity coins will be awarded to these players who's completely their daily and weekly test. Games history survival of a fittest in the theory which is applicable for a vanity world. Every single player in vanity world is fighting for their survival and try again more powers by acquiring other air tragedy and assist. Fighting is the essential part in this world. No players in vanity world to able to them from fighting. Fighter aircraft is the basic necessary to survive and every player automatically gets base variant aircraft to initiate fight. Circumstances are definitely challenging and even get more difficult in the Avanti world, which have a higher difficulty levels and can only be achieved by the most agile and upgrade aircraft with cutting edge technology. There are two ways to play games. One is to go to your best base variance aircraft and upgrade it for free fight and earn maximum. The second way is to get upgrade aircraft by purchase among hundreds of upgrades aircraft. Some variants have a lethal capability and can complete missions in their drastic circumstances. The advanced aircraft you will buy have have a further capacity to enhance its economies and ammunitions according to the mission's requirements. Advanced aircraft may mirrors, gliders, lost hopes, and scrambers. Augusta roadmaps may Q4 2021 website launch, token pre-sales and listing on a PancakeSwap's game NFT pre-sales airdrop distribution. Q1 2022 में listing OCM and CAG staking initial burning listing Hobbiters and Lectons market companions. Q2 is a 2022 में वनडे गेम लॉन्च एंड मार्केट कंपेनियन वेबसाइट अपडेट्स. Q3 2022 NFT marketplace announce partnership new exchange listing. Q4 में 2022 Vanity Sky Battles Vanity Farming NFT tokens nomics 20% pre-sales 25% stocking and 20% liquidity 15% coin burns 10% teams and 5% airdrop 5% name Vanity symbols AVN IP address applies to millions. La tokens coin funds coin market AU to one capitals hotbed Binance smart chains. I hope like my videos friends. If my video is a good then like my videos, subscribe to my channels and share. I will see you in the next videos and remember in a precious prayers. Take care.